Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Umit Savitri. I'm from class measurement 24B with number student 2441138. On this question, I will discuss about the application of risk management in MSME business to enhance business sustainable. This presentation with small and micro business owner or UMKM took a practical step-by-step approach to risk management based on ISO 31000 principle, tailored mitigation strategies, and real-world example from Indonesian microbusiness. Readable and actionable is slide contains clear recommendation, checklist, and visual example that UMKM operator, advisor, and policymaker can apply immediately to improve resilience and long-term sustainable. Okay, let's get straight to it. Okay, why UMKM are vulnerable? Number one, limited capital and cash flow constraint. Many UMKM operate with reduced margin and irregular cash flow. Limited working capital reduces their ability to absorb shock like sudden supplier price hikes or drop in demand. And then two, low technology adoption. Minimal digital tool for bookkeeping, sales, and marketing make forecasting and rapid response difficult. This allows adaptation to market trends and commerce opportunity. And number three, human resilience. Small team with limited management skill increase operational risks. Single person dependencies create bottlenecks when the person is unavailable. And four, market pressure and policy shift. Rapid policy changes, volatile raw material price, and intense local competition can quickly erode revenues if not anticipated and managed. The structural constraints create a high sensitive to risk making, proactive risk management essential to avoid losses that could lead to business closure. And then next, this is primary risk threatening UMKM. Number one, financial risks. Cash flow shortfalls, inaccurate bookkeeping, limited access to affordable credit, and dependency on a few customers. Discrete liquidity crisis that disrupt operation. And number two, operational risks. Equipment failure, supply interruption, inconsistent production quality, and inefficient process that increase cost and delay fulfillment. Number three, human resource risks, skill gaps, absenteeism, poor labor management, and over-reliance on key individual. This reduces capacity to scale and respond to demand spikes. And four, product and marketing risks. Product quality variation, weak branding, limited market reach, and inability to pivot when customer preference shift or new competitor emerge. Understanding these categories help UMKM priorities where to apply limited resource for the biggest reduction in vulnerability. And then next, ISO 31000 2080. A systematic guide for risk management. Number one, identify risks. Map internal and external threat, supplier, climate, regulation, market trends, financial flow, and people. Use simple tools checklists, follow cracks, and brief interview with staff or customer. And two, analyze risks. This is assess likelihood and impact qualitatively. Exit low or medium or high. For recurring issues, track frequency for trend analysis. Priorities risks that treats cash flow or customer safety. And then three, evaluate risks. Compare risk level with the business risk tolerance. Decide which risks require immediate action, which can be accepted, and which should be transferred, insurance or supplier contract. And then four, treat or mitigate risks. Implement Preventive control, contingency plan, and recovery measure, asset owner, deadlines, and simple KPIs, as maintain a two-week cash reserve or diversity to external supplier. And then five, monitor and review. Regularly or monthly and quarterly, review risk register, update assessment after incident, and adapt mitigation based on result and changing context. Even a lightweight implementation of ISO 31000 principle adapted for scale products measurable resilient gains for UMKM. And then next, this is mitigation strategies, practical low cost action. Digitalization and marketing. Adopt affordable digital tools. Message apps, marketplace, basic posts, and include spreadsheet. Use digital marketing, social media, marketplace to diversify revenue channel and reach new customer with low incremental costs. Administration and financial control. Standardize bookkeeping, simple templates, set weekly cash checks, create a minimal emergency fund, and explore microedit or cooperative lending before cash crash occur. And then operational efficiency, inventory per level, supplier lead time buffer, basic preventive, maintain schedule, and simple quality checklist to reduce waste and downtime. And then human capital, cross train staff documents post, sort for critical tasks, and use sort on the job training session to improve reliability and reduce single person dependencies. The strategy focus on action with high impact and low implementation cost ideal for research contract UMKM. And next, case studies, real UMKM transformation, Eskulkul Mafia Jember, digital pivot. Challenge consistent foot traffic and seasonal sales. Respond listed product on marketplace and use social media to accept pre-order for event. Research increase order predictability, reduce waste, and new wholesale customer. And then two, Toko Keripik Pisang Aska Jaya. Scale with risk control, challenge, quality variability, and supplier description. Respond into the supplier dispersion, a simple quality control checklist and based bookkeeping to track unit cost, process motor production, improve margin, and successful market expansion. But case saw how modest investment in technology and process control, guided by risk thinking, unlocked growth while reducing vulnerability. And then next, using risk as a strategic tool. Went from a proactively risk management become a source of competitive advantage rather than a defensive cost center. Case strategies on scope. Number one, better decision making. Structure risk analysis clarifies trade-off and support faster evidence-based quiz during uncertainty and faster innovation. Small control experiment, pilot product or channel, limit downside while testing grow opportunities. And next, improve credibility. Demonstrate control and reliability operation make UMKM more effective to partner buyers and finance provider. By simple risk indicator into routine reporting. Just convert then on team delivery rate, defect rate. So risk-aware behavior becomes everyday practice. And then next, collaboration and support building and enable ecosystem. Number one, government and public support. Provide accessible training in bookkeeping, digital marketing, and risk awareness, design microgrant, and needs funding that require basic risk plan, simple EV licensing, and regulatory compliance to reduce administrative risks. And two, private sector and NGOs. Role mental program, affordable micro insurance product, and share service packaging logistic that lower fixed cost and diversify risk or UMKM cluster. Multi-stakeholder collaboration raises single point of failure and helps scale effective best practice across communities of UMKM. And then next, this is SMARI. Core strategies for sustainable UMKM. Early identification. Maintain a simple risk register that is reviewed monthly. Early signal inventory, anomalies, customer complaint, delayed payments. Allow fast corrective action, and then operational efficiency. Optimize input, set reorder point, and standardize production step to protect margin and quality. And then technology and innovation. Use affordable digital tool for sale tracking, customer engagement, and small-scale automation where possible to increase risk and reduce manual error. And consistent monitoring. Track a few core KPIs, cash conflict date, on-time delivery, defect rate. Use this metric to trigger execution and contingency plan. This repeatable step provide a practical roadmap for UMKM to institutionalize vision without heavy investment. And then start your risk management journey today. Immediate action this week. Create a one-page risk register listing top 5 risks and owner. Set up a simple bookkeeping template and record last month cash flow. And list at least two alternative supplier or sales channel. And then short term 1 to 3 months. Run a small digital marketing pilot and measure cost per sale. And then implement basic quality, checkpoint, and production. And then establish a 2 and 4 week emergency cost buffer cost. And then this is ongoing quarterly. Review risk register and KPIs, update mitigation plan, and then act with call mentor, curve or government program for capacity building. And then consider micro insurance or group insurance option for KRX. Take the first step, small consistent change create durable resilience. Make risk measurement a daily habit, and your OMKM will be better positioned to weather shock and seize growth opportunities. Okay guys, this is explanation from me. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.